Yes, sir.
Persia, please tell us about yourself. Which date is your interview with the Federal Bank?
22, sir. Tomorrow.
Excellent. Please tell me about yourself.
Sir, I'm Persia. I'm from Kanyakumari. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation in mathematics from Tirunelveli. Then I have a 2 years, 10-month experience as a customer relationship manager at ICICI Bank. And my roles and responsibilities in branch are handling customers and both operation and sales I have to handle in bank. Till working time, I have to handle branch operation, cash, front desk, all. And then after 3:30, I have to fix an appointment to customer and go to their places and pitch some product and sell them. This is my roles and responsibilities in banking. That's all, sir. And I married. My husband is in abroad. He's working as a material coordinator.
Here there is no need to tell, but there you can tell fully. Okay. Very good.
Sir.
Very good. Excellent. What about your in-laws? Where are they staying?
With me, sir. With me only. Now I'm with my in-laws.
Acha. In which city?
In Kanyakumari, sir.
Oh, super. How is the weather nowadays in Kanyakumari? Is it hot?
Yes, too hot, sir. Compared to previous year, this time, so summer is too hot. So sometimes it's raining, but most of the time it's feeling humidity is so hot only.
Acha, good. Persia. What is the meaning of the name Persia?
This is a name which is from Bible. My father took that from. I think they got it from Bible only, but they don't know the meaning. It's a country name only.
Persia.
Persia is the country. Yes, sir. But they give a spelling Persya. They are not educated, but they like that name only, so they put for me.
Excellent. Sir. You were with ICICI Bank. Why did you come out of ICICI Bank?
Sir, from 2019, I completed my post-graduation. Then after that, 2020, I immediately joined ICICI Bank. And until 2021, August, I worked in Velur, Chennai. Then I transferred to Kanyakumari after marriage, 2021, September, I got married. Then after that, I got transferred to Kanyakumari itself, Marthandam branch. I working.
So they gave transfer also after marriage. Yes. Great.
Yes.
Bank has been very good towards you.
Yes, sir. But that the manager is so, because my performance is so good in that branch. Every time I express my manager very good. I have a good name, and in my higher officials also in Velur branch. After that, so that for my family situation, they tell me that don't quit the job. I will give you transfer. Go and continue your job like that. So they got transferred. Then I landed in Marthandam from 2021 September to till 2022 October. Previous year I left the job because of my medical condition. At the time I got a miscarriage of
you can tell the correct reason there. You can tell the correct reason there. Good. Now,
yes, sir.
Tell me about Marthandam branch. How big was it? How small was it?
It's not at all too big branch compared to I worked in Velur branch. Velur branch is in city. So that book size is big, around 700 crores to 800 crores. They have book size in Velur, but here the book size is so low because most of the book size is in SHG group only, Mahalir Kulu, like that. So in Marthandam, so that is retail customer is so low in Marthandam. So compared to Velur branch, this branch is size is small for me.
No, don't say for me. For everybody, it is same only.
For everybody, yes, sir. And because the book size is low compared to.
And you should be very careful in using is, was. You should say my performance was good.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Not say it is performance is good in Vellore. No,
Okay. Okay, sir.
was good. Okay, that is right. You are talking very well. Very
Okay, sir.
happy. Very happy. Now,
Okay.
Fcce, this job will involve your posting initially in Bangalore and somewhere outside any other place also. You may not get Kanyakumari. Will you be taking it up or not?
Yes, sir. I will surely take it up because I can relocate. I'm ready to relocate to any city to for my career, sir. So
Are
it's
you
not a
are you having support of your in-laws and also your husband?
sure, sir. Because my husband is in abroad, so I have no issue in that for relocation.
Did you discuss with him?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I applied only after discussing with him only. I applied for this job,
Can
and
you
also
can you
and
tell
also
me about the
sir,
bank frauds that have taken place in the recent past?
um, uh, previously around 5 years, bank growth is very well in the industry. For that reason, there are so many frauds happening in bank. So the last 5 years, so many private bank and also public banks, there is a
And
fraud
in fact,
happened.
in your own bank, ICICI Bank, there was a big scandal or fraud happened. Do you know the details about that?
Uh, I'm not, no, sir, I'm not, no. But I can hear so many things in around happening. My manager told me in every time inside the branch only around employees there is some scam is happened, but I am not clear about that point, sir.
See, in ICICI Bank, there was a big scandal known as, say, what is that? Who was your chief previously, lady chief? Mrs. Chanda Kochar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
She was
Chanda.
involved in a famous case known as Videocon case fraud.
Okay.
I have given the details in this video.
Okay, sir.
I have posted a video for that, and I have posted a video for that, and also given details about it here. This is the video. Here I have given you the there are two videos. One is this video, another is this video. So in one I have told you about bank frauds.
Okay, sir.
Bank frauds, these are the frauds that have been committed, and like this. Here in your bank, it was Videocon case fraud. Please go through that.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
There are about 10 bank cases given. Rotomac pen scam, Andhra Bank fraud, then Kanishk Gold Bank fraud, ABG Shipyard fraud case, Winsome Diamond Bank fraud, then Punjab National Bank scam, that is Nirav Modi, then
Okay.
Vijay Mallya fraud case.
Okay, sir.
I have given you the link also. Please go
Okay,
through
sir.
this. And
Sure, sir.
this and yeah. Now tell me, what are the important banking regulations? What do you know about Banking Regulation Act 1949? So compliance means what? Performing as per the directions of the controlling authority. In our case, it is Reserve Bank of India. And
Okay.
as per Banking Regulation Act, can you tell me some of the important provisions of Banking Regulation Act?
Regulation Act. No, sir. I am not prepared that, sir. Sorry.
Mm. Mm.
Banking regulations are done by RBI only. And what are the regulations? I am not get that, sir.
Are you
I will
seeing?
prepare for
Are
that,
you
sir.
seeing?
Sure.
Are you seeing on the screen
Yes, sir. Yes,
now?
sir.
Mm. Here, this is what it is. Please read section 5B.
Section 5B banking. Banking means the acceptance of deposits for the purpose of lending or investment. The deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by check, draft, order, or otherwise. Banking company, it means any company which transact the business of banking in India. And Section 8, prohibition on
Yeah, please read.
it's fake, it's
No, I think line got
uh,
disconnected. Please read.
yes, sir. In the screen, it's not showing, sir. Your internet speed and it's okay. Section 8, prohibition on trading. No banking company shall directly or indirectly deal with the buying or selling of goods, every kind of movable property other than actionable claim, except in connection with the realization of security held by it.
That
Section
is
8.
what it says is banking company cannot simply indulge in buying and selling of, say, land or building or machinery or vehicle. If they have taken it as security for the loan and the party has not repaid the loan, then you can sell it. That is section 8. Section 9.
Section 9, disposal of non-banking assets. No bank shall hold any immovable property, however acquired, except for its own use for any period exceeding 7 years. RBI may extend the period by 5 years where it satisfied that such an extension would be in the interest.
See, bank cannot buy any landed property and keep it with itself beyond 7 years. See what happens? We are giving loan against house property. The party is not able to repay. So we go on acquiring it. We are not able to sell it. So the bank will buy it in its own name. Bank can hold it for a maximum period of 7 years unless they use it. They cannot just rent it out and have it for 10 years, 11 years and all. Maximum of 7 years they can hold it for giving rent and all. Later on, they have to sell that property. Continue.
Section 71, Reserve Fund. Stipulation that a bank must create reserve fund equivalent to not less than 20% of profits out of the balance of profit of each year. Before any dividend is declared, RBI has enhanced it to 25% of net profit with effect from 31st March 2001.
Continue.
Section 18, cash reserve. Every bank company not being a scheduled bank shall maintain 33% of demand and time liabilities
No,
by way of cash
no,
reserve.
this is wrong. Here it is now 4.5%.
Yes, sir, 4.5%. CRR, cash reserve ratio.
Then section 20.
Section 20 is restriction on advances against own shares. No banking company shall grant loans, advances on the security of its own shares, since it shall amount to purchase of its own capital.
Section
Section
21A.
1A, rate of interest charged by bank.
What happened? Kanyakumari, all dogs are fighting with each other. Huh?
No, sir. In near my,
You have
in
lot of dogs on the
my
street.
in of my yes, sir. In my next street, they have a farm like dogs. They send to they rent the dogs for others. They sell the dogs, so they have
Oh,
a lot of dogs with them
very good.
for selling purpose.
Do you have pet dog in your house?
No, sir. Not yet, sir.
No, no need.
I have
No
an
need.
idea for buying.
No need. Because you have to take care of your mother-in-law, father-in-law and all. Please don't do that.
Okay,
Because
sir.
you
Sure.
need to prepare for yourself. Come on, continue. Section 21A.
Rate of interest charged by banks not to be subject to scrutiny by courts. A transaction between the banking company and its debtor shall not be reopened by any court on the ground of excessive charging of rate of interest. Section 24, maintenance of SLR. A banking company is required to maintain at the close of businesses on any day a certain percentage of its total demand and time liabilities in India in the form of cash, gold, and unencumbered approved securities. This is known as SLR. Minimum SLR
Now
25
it is
percentage.
Now it is SLR is
18%.
18%. This was when it was really formed. Now it is
Okay.
18%. 45. Section
45
45.
while preservation of bank records. Central government in consultation with the RBI has the power to frame rules regarding the preservation of books, accounts and other documents.
Anyhow, thank you. No, so anyhow, maybe when we meet again, we will discuss about it. The next
Okay.
one is about the frauds. You must go through that. And what are the
Okay.
other videos I have posted? Just listen to them. What are the types of questions asked? Now, let me
Okay.
ask you, what are the types of frauds that can take place in in terms of computer and the internet?
Through internet, the fraud name is cyber security, and I know the cyber security risk only, sir.
Very good. So you must know something about cyber security. What are the problems or what are the frauds committed? Phishing, wishing, so many
Yes, sir.
names they are giving. So you get to know that also. Good. Will you be a very good worker to know, find out the problems on accounts? Will you have an idea of scrutinizing properly? Do you have that mentality to scrutinize and find out some mistakes? Do you possess that?
Yes, sir. I have to process the request. I have to take, if a customer came to branch for an address updation or a mobile number updation, I have to take the proof and I have to raise a request in Finacle CRM.
Please tell me about,
So,
please tell me how we can fulfill KYC formalities.
sure, sir. For KYC, we have to collect customers, their address proof and ID proof, and their photo. Recent passport size photo.
What
We we want these three documents.
what are considered as a address proof, ID proof?
Sir, for address proof, Aadhaar card is essential, most essential, and Aadhaar card is taken both as an address proof and ID proof also. For address proof, we can the proof must contain address, then it will be address proof. Like Aadhaar card, voter ID, driving license, passport. These can be taken as an address proof. For ID proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card. Yes, sir. These two we can take as ID proof.
Yeah, other documents are passport, driving license, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Card, voter ID also.
Okay,
They
okay,
can
sir.
also be given as address proof and ID proof also. Okay, very
Okay,
good.
sir.
What do you know about, say, self-help group loans?
Sir, self-help group loans, I'm not working too much in that. I have because I'm in retail banking sector, working only. So yes,
What were you doing in retail banking sector?
retail banking means we have to sell the liabilities and asset products to customers. We have no touch in SHG group products. There is a separate team for that. They have to handle that.
Mm,
So I haven't some idea that we have to raise up if there is any queries and in that account and update KYC, then only they come to us.
mm,
For opening accounts, there is separate team. So I have no depth idea in SHG group, but I can I have a small image from that. They give small loans like MSME business loans for group of peoples through NGO. There is a separate NGO for giving loans to that SHG group. So through that NGO, there is some team of people, women's. They are giving it to especially for women's only. So the group of in that every group there is a minimum of 5 to 10 people. They give a sum assured amount of minimum 2 lakhs like that, sir. I am not pretty sure about that. Maximum they give
So,
10 lakhs, sir.
so what is the work you are doing? You were doing.
Sir, I have to handle cash, take cash from customers and giving withdrawals, and I have to handle the lobby. If there is any crowd, I have to manage the crowd, and also I'm in a front desk. I have to take a query from customers and raise the request and process that in system, and also calling the customers regarding their offers. These are all my main duties in branch.
Mhm. Why should I select you?
Sir, I think I am a best suitable person for this role because I have that much experience in banking. So I can improve my knowledge from this course. I'm very attractive from by this course because it will give me an extra degree with the risk and compliance. So it will give me a best scope for in future for my career. So I'm a best person for this role. I will give my best and the best in my future with your bank, sir.
Who is your role model?
My role model is my mother. Yes, sir. My mother is my role model because she is uneducated, but she's own her capacity to run a business. So she's run a tailoring class for around 20 years. So without knowledge about any education, she's running that. She has talent. So through her creativity, he's in that situation now. So I learned some creativity from my mother. She's always my role model. So how to handle situation, and
Good,
these are all I get from my mother only.
very good.
Sure.
From my mother only.
From my mother only, sir.
What about your father? What is he?
My father is a bike mechanic. He own a shop, mechanic shop, and
Where?
two-wheeler in Tirunelveli, sir.
Good.
In Tirunelveli, I born in Tirunelveli and then married to Kanyakumari. So
I was born
uh,
in Tirunelveli.
I was born in Tirunelveli and then married to Kanyakumari. In my father in Tirunelveli, Tirunelveli town, he has a own he has him own shop, a mechanic shop, sir.
Good. Very good. Very good. Happy. You are answering very well. Your confidence is good, but you must read some more. I suggest you go through. There is one material, Guidely Banking Knowledge.
Okay,
Guidely.
sir.
So at least go through that. You must know about banking and also go through Federal Bank website and get to know more details about it. Deposit, advances, digital products, and all that. Also
Okay.
get to know what is their total deposits, total profit, all those details. I have posted lot of videos on that. Prepare from those angles. You will succeed. God bless you.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes. I wish you
Thank you, sir.
I wish you success.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
God bless you. Please attend the interview and send the questions they are asking you. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Go as a confident person.